Hello friends, welcome to our channel My Rims. And today our topic is about the US की चालाकी. And today I will explain you about this topic that how USA is approaching India to give a military base and what are its reason. And firstly I will tell you about that what are the four foundational agreement in between the US and India. The firstly, we knew it LEMOA, the Logistic Exchange Memorandum of Agreement, which is known as LEMOA. This is the one of the foundation agreement, and second one is COMCASA. The third one is General Security of Military Information Agreement, GISOMIA, and the last one is the BECA, Basic Exchange Corporation Agreement for the Geospatial Corporation. And today I will explain you about these four topics that how the agreement in between the India and US are increasing and what are its basics. And so let's move to our next slide. The high stakes agreement and this all. Firstly, I will tell you about the COMCASA. The COMCASA is the agreement which was signed at 2002, and it was about that the compatibility and the security agreement facilitates transfer of encrypted communication systems. Like it means that the military for the military use we can share our communication system with the US army and by the similar and the vice versa condition with us. So this is known as the COMCASA situation. And talking about the LEMOA, the LEMOA is the Logistics Exchange Memorandum Agreement. It was signed at 2016, and basically in this pact we can see a major condition that the military uses and the uses of logistics. Like if we talk about, let's take an example of US Navy ships. Like US Navy ships is patrolling nearby the Indo Indian Ocean region, and they came and they wanted to refueling. So by the using of this pact, they can easily refuel in our territory, and this is known as the logistics. And today now we can see the latest one, which is known as the BECA. The BECA is one of the most important, which is recently signed in October 2020. And in BECA, the basic thing is that both the military of USA and India, they can access the each of it, the territorial area, the topography of their area, the location systems, like talking about the NAVIC, talking about the GPS, this all. And we can see that recently the engagement of US in India is very high. We can also see that somewhere else the Russia is lagging behind. So what are the reasons behind it? So let's talk about it. So if you all see the map of India, as we know that the previous military bases of US Army is in Afghanistan and they took withdrawal from here. So what is the reason? Because the reason is that because from the Afghanistan it is a mid Asia, we can also say, and we can see that it's is having the sea route. It's having the sea route from the Pakistan, and then they directly send their equipment, send their logistics from Pakistan to Afghanistan. And if we talk about that, it is nearest to the Russia. And if we see that Russia is the most important competitor of America in the past few years. But nowadays we can see the booming of China, and it becomes truly clear that China is the biggest enemy, or what we can, the biggest competitor of USA. If we talk about the economy, if we talk about the everything, the global markets, so we can see that directly countership in between the China and the US Army. We also see the Cold War in between these countries. So the US wanted a place where they can easily counter China. So for the best place is India, because India is having We can also see the conflict between the India and China about the Askai chain, and we can also see in the Doklam region in the Arunachal Pradesh. So they wanted that to help India as well as to get their benefit by countering China by getting military bases in India. So basically, this is the whole plan of USA, so that we can also see the withdrawal of US Army from Afghanistan, and that's all. So I hope that you all understand about this topic, and thank you.